everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I am with my newbies. Yeah, very excited to show you all of it from Revlon. These are the lip glosses that I remember using long time ago. So I got some new shades and a cream eyeshadow because I really wanted something that can give me a lavender vibe. Why? You will get to know in my upcoming video. For today's video, 90s vibe and 60s vibe. I just wanted to mix and match because out of everything that I got, I'm so very excited for this clear lip gloss. You know why? Because 90s, I just lived in 90s. And I remember those days when I just used to get my lip gloss on and at the max I would go for some brown kind of earthy toned shades on my lips and some beautiful rosy soft gloss. So that's the whole vibe on lips. But before we move on with the lips, let's get to the eyes because I'm very excited about this eye look, which can be achieved with only 2 products. How simple is that? Yeah, that was the 60s. I remember me getting so excited about 60s look when I was studying makeup in my class because I found it very interesting, very modern, very trendy, and very simple. I'm taking just one element from 60s today. Let me know if you like it and leave some ideas what you like when it comes to period makeup. And of course, the newbies are in action. Just getting started with this cream eyeshadow. The satisfaction of getting something that you really wanted from a drugstore is really amazing, isn't it? I wanted to go for something lavender, but I found a close match. This, isn't it pretty? Gorgeous shade. 740. Just like that, I'm just going to get my hands on it. Interesting texture. Look at that. So pretty. Let's walk the talk. Wow. Dazzling shadow on the lid. Beautiful on its own, or if you want to pair it with something else, totally rock it that way. Let me know if you have some other shades which I should check out because there are a couple of pretty shades. I just wanted to try one because I wanted to feel the texture of it, and so far so good. I really love Revlon products, and my channel is not new to Revlon, and I'm not new to Revlon. I have been using the Revlon products, I don't know from how many years, and I totally love it because high quality, price point, and shade range. When it comes to 60s look, I find 3 important elements. Number 1, a defined socket line. Number 2, painted on lashes. And number 3, pastels. Yes, so I'm just taking one element today. That would be defined socket line, and you can achieve that with any liner that you want to use or which is your favorite. This one is from Revlon, a creamy liner, black regular liner. Another way to wear your liner in a very interesting and trendy way. I can totally rock painted on lashes too, but for now, for today, I'm just sticking to this socket line defined look. So the first step, which would be, let me clean my hands, and must be super clean. I want a smudge free clean look because that's the beauty of this look. The cleanliness, the minimal approach, and just top-notch beauty. So a pretty simple and basic step would be defining the lash line first. Here is my chance to live 1960s, and that's a beauty, and I feel very fascinated about that. That through makeup, I can live any age, any style, anytime. It's like a makeup time travel. Now, after doing this, and this is just a rough idea, after doing that, I'm going to use this liner starting from the inner corner, not going near the tear duct, just staying right here where I see my crease. Like if you open your eyes, you see that socket line, right? So near that, as close as possible. And then we are going to define it. We are going to go in a very narrow lane there. Just soften it up, and a little bit of smudgy feel right there. With a flat brush, I'm going to go in this, and I'm just going to fill in the lid area. Take your time with this look, make it your own. And a little bit of Revlon Compact. So today most of the products I'm using are from Revlon. Cleaning around the area. Now once that part is done, I'm going to go another round with the liner. Makeup Forever lining the lash line, and that way I'm going to define my lower lash line too. But when I'm using ink liner on top of the pencil liner, it is giving me a more defined lash line, upper lash line, and I'm just going to use my pencil liner for my lower lash line. That way it looks more defined and eyes look bigger. If you want, you can smudge it a little bit, because a really smudgy eye look is my favorite. You can totally try and define your socket line where you placed your liner, the pencil one. Because it is liquid, you have to be very careful if you want to go for this liquid liner on top for my inner corners. Such a cool look, and it is such a cool product. I am going to go and complete the other side, and I'll join you. And to clean the edges, you can use any makeup remover. I'm using this Garnier, but it is just an idea how you can wear your everyday liner in different ways. After the hard work on the eyes, I really want something very, very simple for the lips. As I said in 90s, my go-to lip gloss was a clear lip gloss. Today, I'm just going to go for this beautiful rosy shade. I'm going to save this for the next time. It's just a perfect applicator for the lips. Really glad that I repurchased it. It's high quality. It plumps up. It shines out. It's got that perfect stickiness in a good way. It just clings to the lip. Simply gorgeous. Fun look, I guess. So that's about it, guys. Totally gorgeous. Super impressed with this beautiful cream gorgeous shadow, and we'll know more when I create more creative fun looks with this one. And of course, I am super pumped up for the lip glosses because it's a tried, trusted one and also a repurchased one. So it says a lot that when you invest in a gorgeous lip gloss and you like it and you use it and you repurchase it, you suggest it, so worth checking out. Beautiful shades, and I just have that in mind today. I just wanted to play with the stuff and I did, and I'm super happy and it is really looking gorgeous. I'm really impressed with that. That's about it. This is Soma saying bye to you. Hopefully we will meet soon, so stay tuned because I am going to show some complimentary colors look pretty soon on my channel. Thank you so much for being here, for your time, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing and spreading the joy of makeup. See you.